In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Gann Box on MetaTrader 5. To begin, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're looking at the chart where you want to use the Gann Box. You can use any instrument and any time frame. Before placing the tool, adjust your chart so you can clearly see the price movement you want to analyze, such as a recent swing high, a recent swing low, or another major move that you want to use as your starting point. Once your chart is ready, move your mouse to the menu bar at the top of the platform and click on Insert. This menu contains the drawing tools available in MetaTrader 5. After the Insert menu opens, move your cursor over Objects. A side menu will appear with several categories. From that list, move your cursor over the Gann category. Another menu will appear showing the available Gann tools. From that menu, click on Gann Box. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change, showing that the Gann Box tool is active and ready to be placed on the chart. Move your cursor to the point where you want the box to begin. This is typically a significant high or a significant low on the chart. Click once to set the first corner of the Gann Box, then drag your mouse diagonally across the chart until the box reaches the size you want. When you're satisfied with its position and size, click again to place the opposite corner. The Gann Box will immediately appear on your chart with both horizontal and vertical divisions. If you want to reposition or resize it, click on one of the edges or corners of the box and drag it until it lines up with the area you want to analyze. If you want to change how the Gann Box looks, right-click directly on it and open its properties. From there, you can adjust the available visual settings, including the colors, levels, and other appearance options, until the tool matches your preferred chart layout. Once you've finished making your changes, close the Properties window. Your updated Gann Box will remain on the chart, and you can continue adjusting it whenever needed by selecting it again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.